Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor on Parrot OS 6. Okay, first verify whether we have Sublime Text Editor comes as default application or not on Parrot OS. So click on menu, then Sublime. See, you don't have anything with Sublime. Okay, so open terminal, also open any web browser, then go to Sublime Text.com, hit enter, then click on download, then select the Linux repos, then select the apt. For Parrot or Kali Linux or Ubuntu or Debian type operating systems, we have to install through apt. So click on apt repository. See, these are the commands that needs to be executed. So execute these commands one by one. So first one is, it is going to import the GPG key. Copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now see here we have two versions, stable and development version. So I'm going to install the stable version. So copy this line, sudo, paste that, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. It is done. Now install the Sublime Text Editor. Sudo apt get install Sublime -text. Hit enter. We have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor. Okay, so go to start, sub, see here we have the, once we type sub, see here we have the Sublime Text. It is text editor. So click on it, see here. Okay, we can create files. See, if you want to create files, open, save as, we have different options. Okay, so in this video we have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor on Parrot Security OS 6. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.